Tired of scattered tasks and endless emails? With Microsoft Teams, you can keep everything in one place: tasks, files, notes, and discussions. Let's walk through how to set up a seamless project workspace that keeps your team on track. Every great project needs a home base. Creating a dedicated channel ensures all conversations, files, and updates stay in one organized space. Click Add Channel. Click on the plus button to add a new tab. Planner helps you organize tasks, assign owners, and track progress, all within Teams. Whether you start from scratch or use a template, you'll have a structured way to manage work. Add the Planner tab. Click on Create a new plan. You can create your own plan or use a pre-made template. We're going to use a template. Click on Use Template. Click on Create. Click on Board to change the layout of the task view. With the Planner board, you can categorize work by phase, priority, or team member. Now, let's add a task by selecting Add Task. Once your task is written, click on Add Task. Want to track due dates and avoid last-minute scrambles? Click on Schedule to view a schedule of tasks. You can also use Copilot to write messages and comments about your planner tasks. Click on Notes to open a dedicated OneNote for your project channel. This gives you one place for all your ideas, meeting notes, and brainstorming sessions. Each channel also has a Files tab that will open a dedicated SharePoint document library to keep project files organized and accessible to the entire team. Looking for something else? There are over a dozen helpful apps you can add to your teams and channels. Interested in learning more about how solutions like Microsoft 365 and Teams can support your organization? Speak with one of our experts at Velosio.